Right. Now then, you come to these I didn't have time to help you with too much. The frame of power. Who shall they be so that they have a stake in this work? They are not pupils.
I thought I might have them as some sort of specialist in the accessories on a gown, you know, so the trimmings, so they could take those all off first.
Yes.
And change them.
Yes. And you've got boys and girls. It's a mixed class you're thinking of in the primary school. Yes. So they're clever at doing things without shredding it, at delicate work, good eyesight, sharp tools used safely. This is the sort of detailed thinking now. Images. It's a good frame of power, because if they muck it up, Madame Lingard's for the high jump. Yes.
So some would be unpicking, and some would be choosing to change the decorations.
Yes. So you're now saying, all right, I can feel comfortable with my class in groups. Some teachers are not good group workers. They don't like to think there's things going on over there and I can't be in on it, see what's happening. You feel comfortable.
I do now.
Yes. So your frame of power is the cleverness to see well, to make no mistakes, to use sharp tools. These are their clevernesses. This is their power. To be trusted with quite expensive clothes, and also to be highly selective in what they take off and what they put back, and what they put on. Yes. So they have to have funereal taste, as you might say. Now this frame of power, you see, is frequently seen as, oh, just tell them what they are, tell them who they are. You hear this a lot. Oh well, they'll all be this. But if you go into the detail of where their power lies, you don't fall for that glibness. And you build those powers, because you know, passing your hand over them saying, I dub thee good at unpicking, is nonsense.
Well, we know you are.
Right.